Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers on official channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about why put spacers on your wheel. Let's get it. Installing wheel spacers is a cost-effective way to keep the wheels you have, while increasing your track width. The main function of using wheel spacers is to provide the additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. Actually, it is not good that wheels are placed too close to other components. It would affect the handling performance of the vehicle. When you fully steer, the tire's edge would rub against the fender or suspension kit. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slow spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. This is because of where the new tires you install are larger than the stock tires, that causing some spare problems. In this situation, you should use wheel spacers to help them fit in the right place. In conclusion, using wheel spacers is a cost-effective approach to increase the wheel track width without breaking your budget to buy a new set of expensive rims. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.